Senator Win is the most acceptable candidate to all of us kasi maganda naman yung handling niya sa finance chairmanship niya pagka head ng finance committee. Nakita, very fair, very transparent, and that's what we want.
We want transparency, Your Honor, right? So we have to put it on the record. The whole changes involved in the committee report is about, according to you, 326 billion. So isn't it just proper and right that we know who the proponents are of these proposals?
Marami ho kasing mga proposals pinapadala ho sa amin in writing. In iba ho ay tinatry ho natin ma-accommodate by finding sources. Lahat naman ho yan in writing pinapadala ho
Mr. Chairman, ulitin ko po ulit. Wala naman pong problema eh. Ang tanong ko po, nakasulat po ba yan sa maski na saang transparency portal na nilabas ninyo kung kanino nang galing yung mga proposal na nilagay sa committee report at sino po yung nag-approve? Hindi po pwedeng, alam mo yun?
Nakuha po.
Opo.
So all of this naman ho, mayroong mga records na pinapadala ho.
I agree, Mr. President.
Compile naman namin.
I agree, Mr. President, but again...
And then, during the technical working group, we go line by line also. Lahat po ng mga items, line by line, and pinag-uusapan ho doon kung sino nag-propose, kung hindi ho kaya ma-accommodate, ano ho pwedeng i-accommodate. So pinag-uusapan naman ho doon.
Again, agreed, Mr. President. We have no debate there. The point is, although it's collated, although it's compiled, is it found anywhere?
It's in, hindi ho namin in-upload sa portal. That is the question of His Honor.
Yes. So it's not in any portal?
But lahat ho yan ay may basis and recorded.
Yes. I'm sure there is. Only that it's not in any portal.
No, hindi ho.